Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into an exciting new update on Instagram that allows you to get notified when someone likes your photo, all from the comfort of your PC. Let's walk through the steps to make sure you're always updated on those likes. First, open your Instagram account on your PC. This is your gateway to all the fantastic features Instagram has to offer. Once you're logged in, look for the More icon. You'll find this at the bottom left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on it. After that, a menu will pop up. From there, choose Settings. This will take you into the area where you can customize your Instagram experience. In the Settings menu, locate and select Notifications. This section has all the options you need to manage your alert preferences, so be sure to check it out. Now, click on Push Notifications. Here, you can specify how you want Instagram to alert you about various activities related to your account. Finally, look for the option that allows you to enable likes. You can choose to get notified about likes from everyone or just from the profiles you follow. Select the option that works best for you and make sure it's turned on. And there you have it. You are all set to receive notifications every time someone likes your photo on Instagram. This simple update ensures you stay connected with your audience and can engage with them more effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell for more tips and updates. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.